So in this RBC Mobile App tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to sign up for a Mastercard on the RBC Mobile application. So once you open up the RBC app, I want you to go to the Open an Account button right in the middle, or go to the bottom right, press on More, scroll down to where it says Products, and then press on Open an Account. On this screen, go 4 options down and press on Credit Cards. Once you're here, I want you to slide this top bar all the way to the right. So you have different categories. You have popular, travel rewards, cashback, no fee, low interest, student, etc. I want you to press on all cards right here. And if you're looking for a MasterCard in specific, this is a good way to kind of compare and contrast all the MasterCards that are being offered rather than Visa cards. So this one's right here, a Visa card. The first MasterCard you can get is the WestJet RBC World Elite MasterCard. Scroll a couple more. There's the RBC Cashback Preferred World Elite MasterCard. There's the RBC Cashback MasterCard. There's a couple more different options here that I'll show you. There's the WestJet RBC Mastercard. If we keep going, that might be it actually. Yeah, that's it, I believe. So not too many MasterCards that you can sign up for instance, but if you want to view more information about the MasterCards, perhaps what the interest rate is, what the fee is, what perks come with it, etc., what you can do, so for example, the WestJet RBC World Elite MasterCard, if you press on View Card right here, you can check the annual fee, the purchase rate, the cash advance rate, how much it costs for an additional card, the card highlights as well. And if all looks well, you can press on the blue Apply Now button and then proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to sign up for a MasterCard on the RBC Mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.